Hey traders, you're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install indicators on MT4 step by step. Whether you are adding custom indicators or using built-in ones, this guide will make the process quick and easy so you can upgrade your trading strategy in no time. If you are new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest Forex trading tutorials. Okay, now let us jump right into it. First of all, let's talk about built-in indicators. MT4 comes with a solid set of indicators. You can see there are a whole lot of them. We have trend indicators, we have oscillators, we have volumes, indicators, we have Bill Williams indicators, and then there is a portion for custom indicators which you can download and add to your indicators folder. So whenever you do that, you can be able to add such indicators to your chart. Okay, so MetaTrader 4 makes it possible for you to bring in external indicators. All right, now if you want to access these indicators, you can actually come straight to this point, click on insert, click on indicators, and you select whichever indicator that you want to under the respected folder. Or you can go to your navigators. Okay, we're just going to view navigator right now. You can go to your navigator and then you click on indicator. You see there's a place for indicator right here. Click on indicator. So when you click on indicator, it's going to expand the list. It's going to expand the list, and when the folder expands, then you're going to see different categories like the trend indicators, the oscillators, and so on. So if you want to add an indicator, this is very simple, right? You can just simply drag and drop on the chart. Can you see that? Once you do that, the indicator is going to be added to your chart. Okay, so all you just have to do is drag and drop. All right, just simply drag and drop and you're good to go. Okay, so it's super easy. But what if you want to install custom indicators that you downloaded from the internet? That's where things get interesting. So let us just break it down. All right, so installing custom indicators for MT4 is quite simple, but you have to put the files in the right place. Okay, first of all, you have to download the indicator from a third-party site, right? Let's just look at a very quick example. Okay, we are just going to search for, let's just say, zigzag. This is just a random example. Okay, zigzag indicator, MT4. I just want to show you a very practical example right now. So we're just going to download the indicator and we're going to go and paste it in our indicators folder. And after doing that, you will see the indicator appear on on your chart. You'll be able to add it to your chart. All right, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on download. Okay, I just want to show you the process, step by step. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the folder right on. All right, to save time, I'm just gonna go straight into the folder and copy the file. So we're gonna copy the file. This is the custom indicator we just downloaded right now. Then we come back here, we click on file, we click on open data folder. When we do that, the file for the custom indicator that we copied, we're gonna have to paste it inside the indicators folder right here. So can you see that it has appeared here? Then we're just going to exit this and we're going to have to restart the terminal. Yeah, we're going to have to restart the terminal. Okay. You have to restart the terminal so that the indicator can now appear. All right. Okay, so remember, is the swing zigzag indicator that we added. Okay, can you see? It has appeared, right? You can see it has appeared. I saw it just now. Swing ZZ. You can see that. So you just drag and drop. Okay. And that is how to also add custom indicators to your chart. Look at the zigzag indicator. The color is very light. So let me just make the color darker so that you can see it clearly. All right. Okay, you can see that now. So basically, adding indicators to your chart is very, very easy, super easy on MT4. Okay, so we can see the zigzag, the swing zigzag indicator has been added to the chart. Remember that you can also go through this method. You can also go through this method and look for the indicator, see it here, and you just click on it and you know all of that, and then you add it to your chart. So whichever method you prefer, whether you want to go through the navigator or you want to go through your toolbar up here, they are all fine. Okay, so sometimes your indicator might not show up or work properly. Here are a few things to check. If you add especially a custom indicator, right? You know, I think it's mostly custom indicators that you notice something like that. Maybe you add the indicator and it does not show up properly, you know, or something like that. Just ensure that you put the indicator in the right folder. Like we already discussed, it should be in the indicators folder, and make sure you have restarted your terminal, because if you don't restart the terminal after adding the file, you will not see the indicator even though you have added it to the folder. Okay, so in case you have experienced that, maybe you did not restart your terminal, or maybe you did not add the indicator to the right folder. Okay, and ensure that the indicator is turned on as well, and ensure that this let me just go there. Ensure that this allow DLL imports is checked. Ensure you check this box. Okay, you check this box to allow DLL imports. Is also very important. All right, so now you know how to install indicators on MT4, both built-in and custom ones. With this knowledge, you can start customizing your charts and making better trading decisions. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Forex trading tutorials. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And that is it for this video. Happy trading, and I'll catch you in the next one.